初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Where is the check-in counter?
Where is the check-in counter?
值机柜台在哪里？
Where is the check-in counter?
Where is the check-in counter?
I need to check in my luggage.
I need to check in my luggage.
我需要托运行李。
I need to check in my luggage.
I need to check in my luggage.
How many bags can I take?
How many bags can I take?
我可以带几个包？
How many bags can I take?
How many bags can I take?
Is there a weight limit?
Is there a weight limit?
有重量限制吗？
Is there a weight limit?
Is there a weight limit?
My flight number is a 1 to 3.
My flight number is a 1 to 3.
我的航班号是 A123。
My flight number is a 1 to 3.
My flight number is a 1 to 3.
What time is boarding?
What time is boarding?
什么时候开始登机？
What time is boarding?
What time is boarding?
Where is the boarding gate?
Where is the boarding gate?
登机口在哪里？
Where is the boarding gate?
Where is the boarding gate?
Can I have a window seat?
Can I have a window seat?
我可以要一个靠窗的座位吗？
Can I have a window seat?
Can I have a window seat?
I prefer an aisle seat.
I prefer an aisle seat.
我更喜欢靠过道的座位。
I prefer an aisle seat.
I prefer an aisle seat.
Can I change my seat?
Can I change my seat?
我可以换座位吗？
Can I change my seat?
Can I change my seat?
Please print my boarding pass.
Please print my boarding pass.
请打印我的登机牌。
Please print my boarding pass.
Please print my boarding pass.
How long is the flight?
How long is the flight?
飞行时间多长？
How long is the flight?
How long is the flight?
Is my flight on time?
Is my flight on time?
我的航班准点吗？
Is my flight on time?
Is my flight on time?
Where can I get a cart?
Where can I get a cart?
我在哪里可以拿到手推车？
Where can I get a cart?
Where can I get a cart?
Can I carry this bag on?
Can I carry this bag on?
我可以随身携带这个包吗？
Can I carry this bag on?
Can I carry this bag on?
Is there a size limit?
Is there a size limit?
有尺寸限制吗？
Is there a size limit?
Is there a size limit?
Can you weigh my luggage?
Can you weigh my luggage?
你能称一下我的行李吗？
Can you weigh my luggage?
Can you weigh my luggage?
Where is the security check?
Where is the security check?
安检在哪里？
Where is the security check?
Where is the security check?
Do I need to remove shoes?
Do I need to remove shoes?
我需要脱鞋吗？
Do I need to remove shoes?
Do I need to remove shoes?
Should I take out my laptop?
Should I take out my laptop?
我应该拿出笔记本电脑吗？
Should I take out my laptop?
Should I take out my laptop?
Is this the right line?
Is this the right line?
这是正确的队伍吗？
Is this the right line?
Is this the right line?
Can I bring water inside?
Can I bring water inside?
我可以带水进去吗？
Can I bring water inside?
Can I bring water inside?
Where can I fill my bottle?
Where can I fill my bottle?
我在哪里可以装水？
Where can I fill my bottle?
Where can I fill my bottle?
I lost my boarding pass.
I lost my boarding pass.
我丢失了登机牌。
I lost my boarding pass.
I lost my boarding pass.
Can I get a new one?
Can I get a new one?
我可以重新拿一张吗？
Can I get a new one?
Can I get a new one?
Where is the immigration desk?
Where is the immigration desk?
入境柜台在哪里？
Where is the immigration desk?
Where is the immigration desk?
Do I need to fill this form?
Do I need to fill this form?
我需要填写这张表格吗？
Do I need to fill this form?
Do I need to fill this form?
Where is the duty-free shop?
Where is the duty-free shop?
免税店在哪里？
Where is the duty-free shop?
Where is the duty-free shop?
How much is this perfume?
How much is this perfume?
这瓶香水多少钱？
How much is this perfume?
How much is this perfume?
Can I pay with my card?
Can I pay with my card?
我可以用卡支付吗？
Can I pay with my card?
Can I pay with my card?
Is there a restroom nearby?
Is there a restroom nearby?
附近有洗手间吗？
Is there a restroom nearby?
Is there a restroom nearby?
When will boarding start?
When will boarding start?
登机什么时候开始？
When will boarding start?
When will boarding start?
Can I board early?
Can I board early?
我可以提前登机吗？
Can I board early?
Can I board early?
Where is the waiting area?
Where is the waiting area?
候机区在哪里？
Where is the waiting area?
Where is the waiting area?
Can I charge my phone here?
Can I charge my phone here?
我可以在这里给手机充电吗？
Can I charge my phone here?
Can I charge my phone here?
Is Wi-Fi free in this area?
Is Wi-Fi free in this area?
这个区域的 WiFi 免费吗？
Is Wi-Fi free in this area?
Is Wi-Fi free in this area?
What gate is my flight now?
What gate is my flight now?
我的航班现在在哪个登机口？
What gate is my flight now?
What gate is my flight now?
Can I still make my flight?
Can I still make my flight?
我还能赶上我的航班吗？
Can I still make my flight?
Can I still make my flight?
Please help me find my gate.
Please help me find my gate.
请帮我找到我的登机口。
Please help me find my gate.
Please help me find my gate.
Thank you. Have a good flight.
Thank you. Have a good flight.
谢谢，祝您旅途愉快。
Thank you. Have a good flight.
Thank you. Have a good flight.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。